Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a Snapper Push More Easy Speed Series. It says Ninja mulching on it. Has a Briggs & Stratton 700 series, 161cc, 7.0 foot-pounds. It's sat since last year. They tried starting it this spring and wouldn't start. But I guess now they need it now because the other mower broke down. So they brought it in to see if I couldn't get it running. So we're going to start by clearing out the carburetor, clean out the tank, and see if we can't get it going. So hope you enjoy the video. I already found one problem on it. The flywheel brake cables froze. So we're definitely going to need one of them. I should have one of them upstairs. Well, we might as well do that first. Okay, I got a new cable. It's the old style with the T on the end. And it goes in that special adapter on the handle. We gotta take this cover off here. It looks like some Torx. Take that handle off. Just to get to the bolt to hold the cable on. Okay, we got that off, so the thing should slide. And there we go. There's looks like 7/16. Alright. So that's what happens when these things sit outside. Water gets in between the cable and the protective garment and it starts rusting. That's why it don't work. Gonna have to drill a new hole. This is a universal cable. I'm gonna drill the hole up a little bit so it works. That ain't no big deal. Yeah, you got the new hole drilled, and it works perfect now. Okay, I got that done. You need a 5/16 to take the air filter cover off. Okay, got a 5/16 now. And if we need a new air filter. Okay, we got an automatic choke. Automatic choke on here. There's 2 3/8. No, they're at 5/16. 2 5/16. Bolts get the carburetor off. I'm going to take this little spring off. I don't want to lose that little spring for the automatic choke. So when you take stuff apart, just kind of remember how things went. If you have to take pictures, whatever. There, got the spring off. There, take the fuel line off. There we go. It's a funky looking carburetor. Let me clean it off a little bit. We'll take the bowl off. Okay, kind of clean it off. It's a Briggs & Stratton carburetor. It has a Briggs logo on it. Right there. It's made by Nikki. And the vise break loose that. I'm just hope the inside ain't too bad. It ain't the worst in the world. Needs a new bowl gasket. Our main jet's right here. You can see it's open. I'm gonna go ahead and borrow this out. I should have a new needle. That needle, the rubber's popping out of it. But I should have one of them. Stick this in the ultrasonic cleaner here. Probably about 20-25 minutes. And while it's doing that, we might as well change the plug and check the oil. And that takes a 5/8. Burning pretty good, but we're gonna put a new one in there. It's a little black, but that's probably because of that air filter. And we're gonna set the gap at 30 thousandths. It's gonna be enough. We're gonna use a Champion RC12 YSC. That's snugged up. Pop that on until it clicks. That the oil looks brand new. It's right on full too. Just want to change oil. I was gonna sharpen the blade, but I'll wait till we get the carburetor on and everything. I don't want to lose that bracket there and everything for the automatic choke. Put this on pause. I gotta go get an air filter upstairs and get a needle and seat. Okay, it's got her out of the cleaner. Put the new bowl gasket in there. Oh, there we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this back on the lawnmower. I'm gonna blow out the gas tank real quick. There's nothing in there, but if we need dust or dirt or anything, make sure it's out of there before we put fresh gas in there. I'll put this spacer in there. Can't lose that spring. Okay, the spring. Goes around there, then there's a little hole right there. I'm gonna put gas in there real quick just to make sure this thing don't leak. We're gonna use some premium. That should be enough to get it going. Make sure it's working okay. Make sure that gasket's still good. I'm gonna blow excess dirt off of it. And this hose right here goes in that vent tube right there. Now our throttle cable. Put on fast idle. Put our new air filter on. Well, let's take it off the table. See, oh, before I'm gonna get too far ahead of myself, I'm gonna sharpen the blade, things we got on the table and everything. Wouldn't be right doing all this work and have a dull blade. Looks like a 9/16. Let's go put a nice edge on this. To cut some grass. Okay, all I gotta do now is take it off the table and see if it starts. Well, it's not a matte choke. We don't have no primer on there. Well, it runs like new again. Anyways, hope this video helps you out. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. You guys have a good afternoon.